Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Can we have the
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Bacha. Can we have the cameras open? Yes, that's it. How is Bhavya doing?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
I'm great.
Let everyone join.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, where were we, class?
Good morning. Ma'am, we have to do, ma'am, part F, ma'am, 50 to 70 words, second question.
Okay, we have to start the F
Good
part.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Priya. Good morning. Can we have the cameras on, children?
Ma'am, my camera and my laptop isn't working, so ma'am, I won't be able to open camera.
Okay, Ayushi, fine. Right. We have to start with the F exercise, 50 to 70 word answers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay, fine. Fine. Krishna Gupta, are you there?
Second question.
Second question. First, we have done difference between thermal electricity and hydroelectricity.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, describe the conditions required for the development of water power. Yes, Priya, Payal,
Yes, ma'am, we have done this.
we have done this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, third one we have to, third one we have to do that, please, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Can we have Alishba reading the question? Yes, Alishba.
What are non-conventional sources of power? Name any two which can be used in India. Give reasons for your answer.
Okay. So, would you like to tell the answer also?
Ma'am, non-conventional sources of power are new and new, inexhaustible, and non-polluting sources of power.
Okay. Second part of the answer. Any two which can be used in India?
Ma'am, wind power
Yes.
and
And
tidal power.
right. Okay. Now, what are the reasons? What are the reasons for using these as resources? Bhavya knows the answer.
Ma'am, just a second.
Okay.
Ma'am, of the third one, what are the non-conventional sources of power, or the second one?
I'm talking about the third one, second part, third part. Give reasons.
Okay,
Second
ma'am.
part only. You can call it as second part only.
Ma'am, non-conventional sources of power are the new inexhaustible and non-polluting sources of power. And any the two which can be used in India are coal and petroleum.
No, beta non. They are talking about the renewable sources. Coal and petroleum are
Okay, ma'am.
yes.
May I?
Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, non-conventional resources of power are new, inexhausted, and non-polluting source of powers. Two which can be used in India are wind power and tidal power, as modern windmills are used to generate electricity, but variability of wind speed, direction, and time are the major hindrance. Cluster of windmills are called the wind farms. They are mostly located in coastal and hilly areas. Tidal powers, oceanic tides are to produce electricity. Dams are made across narrow inlet of seas. The force of water gushing in and out during high and low tides, it is used to generate electricity.
Okay, or we can your answer is all correct, but then they are asking no that give reasons why they can be used in India. Like Alishba, if you say solar energy, so where do we have abundance of solar energy in our country?
Thar Desert,
Rajasthan, right? And what about wind energy?
ma'am, hilly areas like Uttarakhand,
Not Uttarakhand, beta, but
Gujarat.
Gujarat. Yes, the run of Kutch or in Tamil Nadu, right? Coastal regions. Basically, the coastal regions have more of wind energy. So we can always specify the names of the coastal regions which are there, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Fine. Ridhima, are you joining with two devices? Ridhima, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you joined with two devices?
Yes, ma'am. The network connection was not stable, so I joined from another.
Okay, fine. Fine. चलिए. Next is G part, 80 to 100 word answers. 80 to 100 word answers. Utkarsh Tomar,
Yes, ma'am.
will you answer this question?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please wait a minute. I'm finding this answer.
Okay.
I'm just on it. Ma'am, may I do?
Yes, beta.
The increasing world population and the demands of more and more people to have high standards of living have resulted in the increased use of mineral resources. Minerals are non-renewables, and once consumed, they are completely exhausted and cannot be regenerated soon because they take millions of years to regenerate. We have to use our mineral resources in a planned manner so that the future generation is not deprived of them, or they do not lack it. The way in which minerals can be conserved are uh, recycling, avoiding wastage, and substitutes. Recycling. Many metals like iron, gold, silver, and aluminum, when discarded, can be reused by recycling. Efficient methods of mining and smelting can avoid wastage of minerals. While using them, also, we should take care not to waste them. Substitutes. Alternatives to minerals like biodegradable plastics, wood, and other substitutes should be used more widely.
Okay. Let me share the screen with you all. Can you see the screen, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can write down this answer. Can you all see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We have Alind in the class. Is there any Arav in your class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Aditi, are you there in the class? Aditya Gangwar,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
then Aditya Mishra,
Yes, ma'am.
are you there, Aditya Mishra?
Yes, ma'am.
Your camera is open. Yes, fine. Agrima Singh? Not there. Alishba?
Yes, ma'am.
Angel? Angel Anand? Ansh Patel?
Yes, ma'am.
Anushka Sharma?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush Agarwal?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayushi Vashisht?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Alin?
Ma'am, have you taken my name also?
Yes, I took your name, but I couldn't see you. I could not, I think you could not hear me. Otherwise,
Ma'am, there is network problem, so I was unable to.
You took my
no issues, no
Ma'am, I am
issues.
also present.
Okay, you are present. I have marked. Ayushi
Ma'am,
Vashisht?
did you take my
Aditi Gupta? Yes, I have marked you present, beta.
Thank you.
Ayushi, are you, where are you, Ayushi Vashisht?
Yes, ma'am, I'm present.
I can't see you.
Ma'am, ma'am, in my laptop, my camera isn't working. That's why my video isn't open.
Just a second.
Ma'am, done. Done.
Yes, Ayushi, I saw you, beta. Fine. This is done. Now some methods of conserving power resources. Bhavya Tyagi, Chaitanya,
Okay, ma'am.
Chaitanya Agarwal, Karthik Chauhan, Khushi Rathod, Laksh Kumar,
Yes, ma'am.
Krishna, Laksh Kumar is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, how many classes you have attended in total?
I have attended less class.
हाँ, because अगस्त में तो शायद ये आपका पहला क्लास है, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है. चलिए. Lakshanya is not there. Krishna Gupta,
Present, ma'am.
Karthike,
Present, ma'am.
Muskan Chaudhary,
Present, ma'am.
Navya Goyal.
Ma'am, have you marked my presence?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Niruz,
she is there.
Okay. Payal Gangwar.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Pranjal Gupta. Pranjal Gupta is there in the class. Pratyush Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Pratyush is there. Okay. Priya Gangwar.
Present, ma'am.
Ridhima Lamba.
Present, ma'am.
Saksham Patel. Then Saksham Sahu.
Present, ma'am.
Beta, how many classes you have done? Saksham,
Yes, ma'am.
how many classes you have done previously?
Ma'am, 1.
This is the first class you are attending in August. Okay, Tanishka Chaudhary.
Present, ma'am.
Fine. Tarini,
Present, ma'am.
how many classes you have attended, Tarini?
All, ma'am, maybe 1, 2 classes I have left.
No. No, Tarini, I think this is your third or fourth class that you are attending in this month. Tarini,
Yes, ma'am.
this is your fourth class in this month that you are attending, bacha. You are not very regular to the classes. Please try to be regular, okay? Utkarsh,
Okay, ma'am.
Utkarsh,
I'm present.
Ved Agarwal,
Present, ma'am.
Vidushi Gangwar,
Yes, ma'am. Present.
and Yash Raj Yadav.
Ma'am, done the another one too.
Done? All have done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Saksham Patel. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, how
Yes,
many
ma'am.
classes you have attended, Saksham? Not much of the classes, right?
Ma'am, I attended most of the classes.
How many? How many? This is what I am asking you. All the classes you have attended?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that I'll check. Beta, think and answer also we will be doing.
Ma'am, anything answer can be write by our own.
Yes, you can. You can write your own answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Supriya.
Done?
Just the second one is left.
Okay, no issues.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in the map, where can we mark Bombay High?
Where we have to mark Bombay High. Bombay High is on the coast, no?
Yes.
It is shown, if you have the atlas with you, it is shown there in the atlas. You can always take help of the atlas for the same.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, आ रहा है, जा रहा है। Yes, beta.
I'm done.
Next question. Can anyone tell about the next question? Nuclear power is the energy of the future. If you agree to this, justify your answer. Any one of you? Ayushi, Vidushi, Aditya, Tarini. Tarini, can I have your camera on, please? Tarini, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Please switch on your camera.
I'm opening in a minute.
Yes, Bhavya, by the time Tarini opens the camera, Bhavya, you tell the next answer.
Ma'am, it is good for future, as ma'am, it is pretty good for the replacement for the fossil fuels, and it also emits very little amount of carbon dioxide and other pollutants, and provide a lot of energy for a very small amount of fuel. And it generates it also generate a very small amount of waste.
Anybody else for the same? Tarini? Tanishka Chaudhary? Tanishka? Beta, those who are not responding, they will not be marked present. I am telling you this.
Ma'am, I'm looking for it.
May I try?
Ma'am, I'm looking
Responding does not give
answer.
And I am finding the answer.
I'm
Tarini?
also finding the answer.
Open your camera, beta. I did not tell you to answer the question. I was simply concerned that you should open your camera. Yes, Alishba knows the answer.
It is environment friendly.
Yes, like what Bhavya has said, it is exactly the right answer. But do you think what she has said, you agree with the same, Alishba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we can
And ma'am,
say, yes, Muskan.
And ma'am, we can produce nuclear power from less work also.
What?
And we can produce nuclear power by doing low work also.
See, why I feel that nuclear power is the energy for the future, because I think that I completely agree with Bhavya, because it produces very less amount of waste. It does not do any harm to the land, to the water, to the air, right? And moreover, the uranium, which is used as the raw material for producing electricity, it is used in a very small amount, and you know that small amount can generate electricity for years, 4 to 5 years in continuation. Nuclear power reactors can give you energy with the use of very small uranium. That is why we can say that yes, it is the energy resource of the future. Right, class?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
So,
uranium and thorium are reactive metals.
Uranium and?
Ma'am, thorium are, ma'am, very reactive metals.
Yes.
Are they rare?
They are rare, yes, of course they are rare. Not everywhere they are found, but then because nuclear reactors, they use thorium and uranium, that is why we have, Ladakh has huge deposits of uranium, but because it has not been explored, that is why we don't know, right? Otherwise, Ladakh region has ample of it, right?
Yeah.
Fine. Okay, class. By Saturday, by tomorrow, I think your work will be all complete. So tomorrow in the evening, I will tell you what time you all will be sharing your this chapter PDF with me. Okay, with all the flowcharts and the map that we have done.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am.
Right, class?
Okay, ma'am.
I think meeting is going to end any minute. Less than 1 minute are left. So those who are not attending the classes, please convey it to them that half yearlies they will get 0, right? And their work notebook will also not be considered, because when they are not attending the classes, there is no point of doing the work also, because I am getting the PDFs, but then lot of things are missing in that PDF, right? Convey it to your friends. And why Angel is not taking her classes? Everything fine with her? No idea?
Ma'am, she has attended
She is taking her classes.